Hello, friends. Welcome to our weekly podcast. Today, with us, we have Mr. Avinash Pathak, who is a fundamental analyst at LKP Securities. Hi, Avinash. How has been the quarter for the consumer durable industry?
Well, for the first question, Karthik, I would like to tell that the initial prediction was of a strong summer with above normal temperatures, which has been prevalent in many parts of India. And it has raised expectation among consumer durable makers of a pickup in sales of fans, ACs, refrigerators, and air coolers. However, February and March has been slightly encouraging, with dealers starting to build AC inventory levels and the channel partners turning optimistic of a demand revival for all the seasonal products like ACs and refrigerators. However, this unseasonal rainfall which we had seen recently have played some spot and added to uncertainties. So because of this, the overall demand seemed a bit muted during the quarter. So we expect it to inch up, as there has been earlier the prediction that the summers will be strong. So there lies a strong quarter ahead, which we feel that it would be there. So yeah, that's it.
Has the unseasonal rains impacted the overall demand?
Well, Karthik, as I have told earlier, that the unseasonal rains has impacted the demand in the later part of March. And the channel checks also suggest that consumer durable retailers saw footfalls post the Holi festival. As many regions had this unseasonal rains. So mainly generally summer sales are crucial, and they set the tone for the annual growth expectation for consumer durable, especially the cooling products during the year. Going ahead, given the forecast of this high temperatures during the upcoming season, channels and the leading brands remain optimistic about the demand revival ahead. So as I told that we expect the demand to move up the curve going ahead.
How has the BEE star labeling regulations played out?
Well, there has been an implementation for this new BE star labeling regulations for ceiling fans. So first of all, I would like to tell that what it is. So generally, BE star labeling regulations are mandatory guidelines given by the Bureau of Energy Efficiency, Government of India, which was implemented from 1st January 2023. Mainly the objective of these regulations and star rating is to lower the overall consumption of energy. For example, a normal fan without a star rating consumes around 75 watts. But after this, however, for this star rated fans, power consumption cannot be more than 52 watts for a 1-star rated fan, which results in a 30% power saving in energy. So mainly similarly for the 5-star rated fans, this saving can go up to more than 50%. So we see that there is an energy saving as we move up the star ratings. So that is the crux of what is BE star labeling regulations are. Now coming to the impact on the industry, well, this has impacted the demand in Q3, while Q4 too remain impacted, mainly because of higher channel inventory at the end of Q3 FY23 due to the implementation of these new BE norms. So we feel that the overall cost increase because of the racing change is around 7 to 8%. But because of the weak volumes, brands started offering around 4 to 6% discounts and incentives to push this new star rating. Despite incentives and discounts, industry saw decline to flattish primary billing, mainly because of the higher inventory and weak demand. So lower volumes and the price cuts can result in margin pressure for fan companies during the quarter.
So, what's your take on the long-term demand for consumer durable goods?
So, Karthik, about the demand in the long term, we feel that the consumption fundamentals will stay steady. Structural demand drivers include increasing power availability, improving construction activity, and there has been an increase in the housing stock, which we expect to continue. So this shrinking presence and also the shrinking presence of this unorganized sector, which also acts as a stimulus for the consumer durable industry. So companies in this industry with an excellent cash conversion cycle, balance sheets, and a strong brand recall and expanding product basket will perform well for all these companies in the consumer durables. So the overall demand will stay strong going ahead, what we feel. Thank you.